Hello again, Tekno here with the second part of my Kamen Rider Meteor Galaxy review. This time I'm going to be taking a look at the second Meteor accessory, the Fingerprint Identification Bracelet. Now this is something that's worn on the arm, as you can see with the straps here, and I haven't really tried this on myself yet, but I'll have to see if it actually fits. But this is a wrist-mounted weapon that's used for limit breaks and for essentially hurling planets at people, that sort of thing. We haven't seen everything in the show yet again, since all we've seen is a glimpse of him using this with the Jupiter switch. But I'm sure we'll see more very soon when the next episode airs. Again, like the Galaxy Driver, this looks really nice. It's got a lot of gold chrome, nice and shiny. A really good color scheme, and I really like the stylings of Meteor a lot. Now then, let's turn this sucker on, shall we?
System all green.
And that's what happens when you turn it on. First, we're going to start with just the standard fingerprint, which is it's touch sensitive, no real actual fingerprint IDing. And it just makes that noise over and over again if you do it like that. However, when we start mixing planets in, we get that with Mars. Pressing this button here removes the switch, and now let's do Jupiter.
Jupiter, ready. Okay, Jupiter.
And last but certainly not least, we have Saturn, the planet with the rings.
Saturn, ready. Okay, Saturn.
Again, we've only seen Jupiter in the show out of all three of these, but my understanding is Mars involves shooting fire. Jupiter is like essentially hitting someone with a really heavy club, and I'm guessing Saturn is probably going to be some sort of slicing attack given the rings and the sounds. As well, you can also do a limit break with this device. Now, it's a size that it can use any switch, and looking at the mechanisms inside, it's completely agnostic as to which one you plug in. It doesn't seem to actually make a difference as far as I can tell. So, that said, let's plug in the switch.
Limit break. Limit break.
And we get the stylish music.
Okay.
And as far as sounds go, that's pretty much it. In conclusion, the Meteor Galaxy fingerprint brace is a pretty cool accessory, I suppose. It looks really stylish. Reminds me a lot of some of the double belts, actually, given I just watched that series. And color-wise, it fits really well with the actual belt. As far as roleplay accessory, it's pretty darn cool, I have to say. And though it doesn't really have much Astro Switch interaction, the interaction it does have is almost lip service in a way in that it's simple. It has some pretty neat functionality on its own, and it's a neat self-contained device. So, really, overall, if you're going to be getting the belt, you're going to want this too, realistically speaking. This is General Tekno signing off.